Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Bitget Wallet. Now, if you're looking to buy yourself some USDT on Bitget, it's really easy. Once you've logged in and you make sure your wallet has been set up properly, simply use the buy icon at the top of the screen. So once you're on the buy, you're met with two options such as buy crypto via your MasterCard or credit card, or you buy via the P2P trading. So this works for those who are looking to buy using their MasterCard, that you have a card that you wish to use, or you want a more secure purchase option, that's the P2P trading, where you simply work hand in hand with the Bitget merchants to buy and sell crypto. So all you need to do to buy your USDT is simply click on the P2P trading. Once you've selected the buy, underneath the buy you can find the various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, the Bitget token, some DAI tokens, and World. So if you head back to USDT and select your payment method depending on which bank you use, as you can see there are many banks. Once you've selected your payment method, you're going to look for a merchant who is ready to purchase the crypto, who is ready to sell you some crypto. So when you click on the buy option and enter your phone number and you verify your phone number, all you need to do then is simply enter the amount you want to buy your crypto for in your local currency, and then you get yourself some crypto in the local currency. And that's how you can get yourself some USDT. Alright, so another option of getting yourself some crypto such as the USDT is to simply click on the buy icon. Once you've selected the buy icon, you're met with the buy crypto and P2P trading. We've worked with P2P, so select the buy crypto, which involves using your Visa card or your MasterCard. So once you've clicked on the buy, you're met with your region, and all you need to do is simply, let's go with the United States as a region in this video, and then where you have your local currency, select your USD. And now the type of USDT we're looking for can be selected as well. So let's go with USDT on the Tron network. So for $20 worth of USDT, we're going to be getting it via the MoonPay. So MoonPay is basically a third-party provider who specializes in giving out cryptocurrency and connecting merchants. So if you wish to buy $20 worth of USDT, you're going to be going through MoonPay, where you simply make use of your Apple Pay, your Visa, your MasterCard, a bank transfer, or wire transfer. So when you click on the confirm option, you'll be asked to add your email and any form of identification that they would use to pair you with a merchant. And it works the same way as the P2P, the only difference being that it's done outside of the Bitget P2P. So all you need to do is simply click on the continue option and then select bank transfer and add your BVN or add your SSN or any form of identification required by MoonPay. So guys, that's how you can simply buy USDT on Bitget. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.